Today more homeowners are starting to challenge their foreclosures, which puts mortgage lending under fire because most homeowners don't really understand who is the mortgage lender. When challenging foreclosure, it is important to know what role the mortgage servicer plays. This is extremely important because any questions about the loan is required to be directed to the mortgage servicer first. The Real Estate Settlement Procedures Act, often referred to as RESPA, governs matters concerning questions about loans. The most widely used method for communicating with mortgage servicers are QWR, known as a Qualified Written Request Letter, which is under RESPA Section 6. They are also readily available in generic form online as QWR Letter or Qualified Written Request Sample. Being very basic and not effective for homeowners who really need to challenge foreclosure. Here are 5 most common things that make qualified written requests ineffective. 1. RESPA statute limits. When a QWR lists violations that are outside of the statute of limitations for RESPA, there are no recourse for damages. 2. Lack errors or omissions. Every true QWR must explain what specific errors or omissions that the homeowner is concerned about regarding the loan in the QWR letter. 3. RESPA provision requirements. Under RESPA Section 6 by statute, QWR applies to only servicers of a mortgage loan. Sending a QWR to the lender does not require the lender to comply. However, the servicer is responsible for contacting the lender to gather information that may be needed in a QWR. Homeowners often mistakenly send the QWR to the lender over the servicer. 4. QWR lien requirements. QWR are intended only for first position liens, the first secured mortgage only. If the QWR includes second mortgage, subordinate lien loans, or lines of credit, it is invalid as these loans are exempt from all RESPA requirements. 5. QWR that harass. QWR should never be used to harass the lender through the servicer in any manner. Every QWR must be specific in nature about the concerns of servicing of the loan. A QWR is never intended to delay foreclosure or dispute the validity of a foreclosure. However, if the QWR addresses specifically why the borrower feels that payments are being made to or demanded by the wrong lender, it is valid. Only a lender with enforceable security interest has authority to ever foreclose. Get QWR Attack. A powerful and effective sample form that we use to get results for our clients.